Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Yadav. Today I will be explaining TCT SHASTRA Challenge 5 Contest B. The problem is circular number. A number is said to be a circular if all the possible combination of a number after rotating it from right to the left are prime. Suppose a number is 1 to 3. Then after rotating it from right to the left, that is, after rotating 3 from right to the left, it will be forming the number 3, 1, 2. Then after rotating it again from the right to the left, it will be forming a number known as 2, 3 and 1. Then after rotating it again from the right to the left, that is rotating 1 from the right and taking it to the forward, that is in front, and it will be forming the original number, that is 1, 2, 3. So we have to check whether all these are prime number or not. If they are prime number, then it is known as circular number. So we have to identify whether the number n is circular or not. So the input format for our problem will be the first line of the input contains an integer t. It will be denoting the number of test cases. And the next line will be denoting the size of the number, that is by integer n. The output format for our problem is that if a number is circular, then in the output it will be printed yes, else no. So here there are two sample inputs given. First one is 199 and another one is 138. If we consider 119, 199 is a prime number. If we rotate it from right to the left, it will be forming a number 919. Again, 919 is a prime number. After rotating it again, it will be forming a number 991. Again, 991 is also a prime number. So hence, we can call it as a circular prime number. So in the output, it will be showing yes. For another sample input, that is 138, 138 is not a prime number. So in the sample output, it will be showing no. Now we will be seeing the code for our problem. So here we have created a Boolean function to check whether number is prime or not. So if num is less than equal to 1, then it will be returning false. That is, it is not a prime number. And another condition is that if num is less than equal to 3, then that is, if num is equal to 2 or num is equal to 3, it is a prime number. And third if condition is that num modulo 2 is equals to 0 or num modulo 3 equals to 0, then it will be returning false, that it is not a prime number. So here we have used for condition that integer I is equals to 5. If I into I is less than num and I is equals to 6, if num modulo I is equal to 0 or num modulo I plus 2 equals to 0, then it will be returning a false. For all these condition, we will be returning true value. So here we have created Boolean function to check whether the number is prime circular number or not. Here in string numstr is equals to integer to string num is used to convert the given integer value into the string. Here integer length is used to check the num length, that is the string length. So here we have used for loop to check and iterate through the string from integer I to the length of the string, that is I. So here we have used if condition to check the numbers present inside the strings, that whether they are prime number or not. After checking the condition in the original string, that is numstr, it will be again replacing the original positions, that is the last element of the string will be coming at the front and the first element will be replacing at the last position of the string. Here in the main function, we have just used a condition. If the given number is circular prime number, then in the sample output, we will be printing yes, as we will be printing no. That is, that given number is not a circular prime number. Now, We will run the code to check whether we are getting the required output or not. So here we have got the required output. Now we will be submitting the code to check whether all the test cases are passed or not. Yes, wait. Yeah. As you all can see that all the test cases are passed. So here we have successfully written the code for our problem. So if you found this video helpful, so please do like and subscribe the TCET Shas channel.